Hey, what's up? My name's Corey. Welcome to Driving on Chaos. One of those days. Day like 3? Oh. Okay, fine. You can come off. Oh man, that thing looks awesome in there. Flywheel. Hey, you know what the torque specs are on these flywheel bolts? Oh, you fucker. Take a picture for the gram. Oh, you know what I didn't take a picture of? So day, I don't know, one of those days. Day like 3, I think. Working on the Alltrack. First thing I did, clean up the yard. She was looking pretty rough, so cleaned her up a little bit. And now, gotta get back to this guy. This girl. Call things girls for good luck. I'll stick to that. So we're going to work on the rear main seal, get the stock one out, put the new 034 Motorsports one in, and then from there we're going to get the clutch installed, address the brake fluid leak. It's pushing itself out. This is the main clutch line from the reservoir. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go. Let's get started. Oh, all right. Oil, perfect. Guess we're gonna be doing an oil change. So tight. Why is it so tight? Now I just gotta remember there's no oil in it. Oh, loud noises. Remember, there's no oil. Fucking wind. Anybody else who's ever working outside ever notice that the wind always shows up at the most inconvenient moments? All the time. Trying to put a tarp on a vehicle. Just dumb random stuff like that. How to prevent when I scrape this gasket material off from going inside the engine. Okay, fine, you can come off. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Yeah? Oh, hi. Hello. Yeah? I'm fine. I'm okay. Unless the engine decides to fall out, then I'm not okay. little bit goes a long way. I don't want to make a giant bead and have it squeeze out and get a bunch of excess RTV running through the engine. Now, is this excess? I don't know. Maybe. Hands are just barely big enough. My tiny hands. Oh man, that thing looks awesome in there. Sweet. Alright, we're gonna go good old German spec with the good and tight spec. Get these somewhat tight, like so. Okay. Alright. And now, do a little more. Nothing crazy. Just some little 6mm bolts. Don't need much. Alright. Well, I hope I did that right. What do you think? Huh? Hey. You think I did it right? Yeah? Smile if I did it right. Smile. Hey. Alright, you're probably right. I probably fucked up somewhere. Where are we at? 6. There you go. No oil. I need to put a sign on the steering wheel. Right there's fine. Now, let's bring out the clutch. Alright. Oh man, that's way lighter than the stock one. Oh man. Yeah, that's a lot of meat. God dang. Ooh, she should be, those rev matches should be sweet. Oh, let's put this giant paperweight back. Still had some good life. Got some nice hot spots though. There's probably some instructions. Okay, stage 3 performance clutch. 18.85 pounds. Capable of holding up 450 foot-pounds. There it is. Install flywheel. Hey, do you know what the torque specs are on these flywheel bolts? No? Alright. Torque the flywheel bolts in the sequence shown on the right in the 3 different stage lists below. 30 newton meters, 60 newton meters, then an additional 90. Now, this has an off pattern. These distances are not the same. So you have to figure out, I guess I better put this guy back on. I'm gonna have to get in here nice and deep like, oh, right in your face. All right. Nope.
Nope. Nope. Oh, yep. All right. And get you started.
Screwdriver. Excuse me.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Handy dandy screwdriver. Oh, jeez. 1. Oh, that's ripping my shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you fucker. 7. I already got that one. I lost where I was at. That slipped. Let's double check them. I got that one. That one's good. Oh, I'm getting tired. That one's good. All right. Now the additional 90. Fuck. All right, this is gonna suck. Should mark them after each one, right? Yeah. Going down. Oh my God. 90. Oh, fuck. 90. Ready? 90. I'm getting my workout in today. Let's see, where's that going? Are you really okay? Sitting at like 100 degrees, so let's go 190 degrees. Yeah, that looks right. Oh, you bitch. Two more. Last one. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go take a nap. That was cool. Not really. Clutch disc. Stay there. This thing's sealed. Okay. Oh, let's take you back. Wipe you down. What'd you find? What are you chewing on? Oh, you found a zip tie? That's cool. That'll go through the stomach good. It says here, pressure plate side. Pressure plate, you don't say. Flywheel, you don't say. So, like that. Okay. Spring side goes to flywheel. Flat side goes to pressure plate. Flat slide, pressure plate. Okay. Now, this guy, this guy, like so, like a glove. Now, I gotta figure out which pin goes where. Come on, Android. Fuck. Install 6mm hex. 20 Newton meters. 20 Newton meters. Gotta get the bolt again. And a special screwdriver. Okay. 20. 20. 20. 20. Last one. 20. Sweet. Sure, look center. Let's take a picture for the gram. Oh, you know what I didn't take a picture of? I got it on camera. I didn't take a picture of the rear main seal. Now, what are these 6 bolts for? I said 6. There's only 3. Remove the 3 remaining bolts and pull the throwout bearing. Now these are for the new throwout bearing. Throwout bearing. Coolsies. She's there. Ow. Fucking knuckle buster, dude. Is that what I get for buying fucking China? Everything's China. Oh. Damn it. Oily. See how bad moving back and forth like that? Do I really want to take the front bumper off? Oh, here's a little teaser. Another issue. Oh, damn it.